Today we shall see about Python programming unit 3 files. File is a permanent storage. So here we will be seeing about introduction to file handling, data streams, creating own data streams, file access modes, writing data to a file, reading data from a file iteration, additional file methods. Introduction to files. So already I told you it is a permanent storage. Program software needs to store the data permanently. Variables store data temporarily in the RAM, lost after the program ends. When you come out of the program, the variable data will not be there, like arrays, list, all those things will not be there. But when you are using the file, the data will be there, permanent. File provide permanent storage. While file handling, to save user data permanently, to read and write large data easily, to exchange data between the programs, Python provides built-in function open for working with files. Streams, flow of data between program and file. Data streams can be input stream and output stream. Input stream for reading data from a file, output stream for writing data to a file. Analogy, they think of a file as a container and a stream as a pipeline connecting the file to the program. The one data streams. In Python, we create a data stream using open function. Syntax file object equal to open file name mode. The file name is the name of the file. Example, it's which should contain some text values. So the name of the file is data.txt, and the mode, you are opening the file in read mode or write mode or append mode. Read means small r, writing means w, a means append mode. So when you are opening the file with read mode, it is possible for you to read the content. Similarly, if you want to write any new content, you have to open with w, write mode, and append mode, it will append to the existing file. Example, you can see f is the file object. Open, you are opening the file test.txt in write mode so that you can write the content. So with the help of the function f.write, you are writing hello Python to the file. So this hello Python will be stored in test.txt file. So some of the common modes. So read mode, you can read the content, the file must already exist. Write creates a new file or overwrite the existing file. Append mode adds the data at the end of the file. Exclusive creation fails if the file exists. Binary mode for images and videos. Text mode, T is a text mode default. So how to write the data to the file? We use the write command or write line method to write the data. Example, write. So first you are opening the file in write mode. File object is f.write Python is fun. f.write file handling is important. So these two content will be returned to the above file. Finally you have to close the file. Similarly, write line, f equal to open data.txt in write mode. Here you are using the write line function. Okay, line equal to, you are specifying in the list line 1 followed by blank space \n, line 2, line 3. So when you write this f.write lines, that list lines is the list. So the first line will be line 1, second line it will contain line 2, third line it will contain line 3, and you are closing that. F equal to open sample.txt, you are opening the file in append mode A. So f.write appending new line, you are putting the message. So this message will be added to the already available file sample.txt. It is appended. Reading data from a file, read line, read lines. So read reads the entire file, reads one line at a time, reads all the lines in the list. So you can see the example file object f open data.txt read mode. you are printing while reading f dot read, so it will print the file, that is the read function. Move the pointer to the beginning of the file. F dot seek means it will it is a random operation, it will move to the pointer to the beginning of the file. And then again you are saying f dot read line, f dot read line, it will read the first line, one line at a time. And f dot seek, again you are moving to the last and you are saying f dot read lines, so it will read all the lines. So read means it will read the character by character, all the characters in the file. Read line, it will read one line at a time. Read lines means it will read all lines in the file. Finally you are closing the file. You can also loop through the file line by line. So with open data.txt in read mode as f file object, for line in f, line dot stripe. So with the help of for loop also you can read the content in the file. The variable line will read the first line, it will read the first line and it will print. Similarly it will read the second line, it will print. It will print all the content. Recursion, factorial using recursion. This already we have seen this. So here you are calling the factorial from the main program by passing the value 5 as an argument value, and that value will be stored in n. And then if n equal to, it will not be 0 or it will not be 1 the first, so it will coming to else part. In the else part again and again you are calling the same function when until the n equal to 0 or 1. So when n becomes 1 or it will come out and total value will be printed. The factorial of 5 will be 120 will be printed. Some of the file methods. So f dot close, it will closes the file. F dot tell returns the current file pointer. Seek moves the file pointer to the given position. Truncate shrinks or expand file size. F dot name returns file name. F dot mode returns the access mode. F dot close checks if the file is closed. Binary files. Binary file is used for image, audio, video, PDF, etc. Use RB, read binary. WB means write binary mode. So in this example you are seeing, you are opening the file photo.jpg in read binary mode. Similarly again you are opening another file copy.jpg in write mode with the object f1 and f2. Similarly with the help of object f2 you are writing the content of f1 object. F1.read, it will read that photo.jpg and it will copy to copy.jpg, so it will write it in the file copy.jpg. So the entire photo will be copied from one file to another file. Thank you.